Okay, here's an interesting Barvember bar model question. Two zoos have some animals in them. Zoo A has 192 animals fewer than Zoo B. Zoo B gives 1/10 of their animals to Zoo A. Zoo B now has 30 more animals than Zoo A. And we are asked, how many animals did Zoo A have at the start? So, okay. So obviously we're going to draw a bar for Zoo A and we're going to draw a bar for Zoo B. Okay. And what I've noticed here is it says here that Zoo B gives 1/10 of their animals to Zoo A. So I'm actually just going to make things easy for myself, and I'm going to draw a bar that has 10 parts. So that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, oh dear, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so 10 parts. Okay, and then we're told that Zoo A has 192 animals fewer than Zoo B. So I am just going to draw a smaller block. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to avoid stopping at one of my squares. I mean, obviously, you might be using blank paper and stuff, but I just want to make sure that I'm not, I don't mislead myself to think that there's, the difference is equal to equal parts or something like that. But anyway, so that's my drawing for A. I'm not dividing that into any parts. And we're told that Zoo A has 192 fewer animals. Okay, so this difference here has a value of 192. Okay, so far so good. So what information have we captured? That and that. I mean, actually, let me go. We're looking at how many animals did Zoo A have at the start. So if we're being really good, what we ought to do is put in that is our question. Okay. Right. So we're told that sorry, we didn't capture this bit yet. Zoo B gives 1/10 of their animals to Zoo A. Okay. So I have divided this into 10. So this is this. Okay, so this is 1/10, and that is being given to Zoo A. So I'm going to draw a block that's about the same size that I know represents that. I'm going to shade it in the same way. All right, that's this block. I know it doesn't exist here anymore. It exists here. Um, let's draw something that shows that it's gone from there. Okay, so that just reminds me what's going on. Then what? Well, it says that Zoo B now has 30 more animals than Zoo A. Aha. Okay, so the difference now, so A now has this amount of animals, this number of animals, and Zoo B has this up to this number of animals. So this gap, okay, now is from there to there. That gap is 30. Now, hopefully what you can see is that this 192, it's been sort of divided up into these two equal parts. One and these two equal parts are each of them is equal to 1/10 of B. So these two equal parts and 30. So if I subtract 30 from 192, I will get the value of these two equal parts. So 192 minus 30 gives us 162. And if I divide 162 by 2, I get 81. And 81 is the value of each of these parts. And because we know that this is 1/10 of B, we now have a value that we can work with. Let's go back to our question. It says, how many animals did Zoo A have at the start? Well, to calculate that, I need to calculate B because I know A's value in relation to B. So if this is 1/10, then B has 81 times 10, which gives us 810. And then to calculate A, I need to subtract the 192. So 810 minus 192 gives us 618. And that is our final answer. There were 618 animals in Zoo A at the start.